Another question. One viewer asked, is there any treatment for alopecia universalis in homeopathy?
Yeah. See, there are some diseases in homeopathy where they have plenty of scope. One of the diseases is alopecia areata, alopecia universalis, and alopecia totalis. So these are all comes under a special category of hair loss or alopecia. Normally, hair loss is a symptom. It is not a disease. For example, if you have headache,
Yes,
headache is a symptom. It can come in many diseases. It can come in viral fever. It can come in brain tumors. From simple viral fever to big brain tumors, or even if you go in the sun, you can get headache. In the same way, hair fall is a symptom. It is not a disease. There are hundreds of diseases for hair fall, but three common diseases that occur, hair fall occurs in normally 99% of the people is, one is telogen effluvium, next one is alopecia areata, and male pattern baldness or female pattern baldness or androgenetic alopecia. Of all the alopecia that is occurring, homeopathy has the best scope compared to any other system of medicine for alopecia universalis, totalis, or alopecia areata. All these comes under same category. These are all comes under autoimmune disorders. For example, if there are several disorders, right, different types of disorders, in which this is a particular disorder where your immune system is going to attack your own body cells. Here what happens is your immune system is going in attacking your hair follicle. Due to that, you will be losing hair. This is known as alopecia areata. Alopecia areata is the starting form of this disease. What happens in alopecia areata is you will lose hair in patches. It can be a small patch. It can be a small patch in head or in your eyebrows or beard or mustache or any other place in the body. This is the first stage. If you don't take proper treatment here, it goes into the next stage, that is known as alopecia totalis. Alopecia totalis means loss of hair in any particular part. For example, one side of the hair is gone, or one side of the eyebrow is gone, your mustache is gone, your beard is gone. This is the second stage. From patches, it moves on to the next stage, that is a part will be losing the hair. And then comes the final part where we known as alopecia universalis. Alopecia universalis, what happens is entire hair from the body is lost. Even one single strand of hair is not spared. So that is the effect. But compared to any other system, for example, if you take allopathy, for this they give steroids or immunosuppressants. It has lot of side effects. But with homeopathy, and the treatment with steroids is like holding a spring tight. For example, what happens when there is a spring and you hold it tight? Once you release the spring, it bounces back. In the same way, once you use steroids for alopecia totalis universalis or alopecia areata, it is like keeping the immune system with the spring. Once you release it, more places it will go and attack, and also the duration of the symptoms will increase, intensity of the symptoms will increase, and also severity of the symptoms will increase. The disease is going to rebound. Now it is only in your hair, right? But it may go and attack your blood, pernicious anemia. It can attack your intestine. The autoimmune disorder may be produced at any other place. That's the reason homeopathy is the best treatment compared to any other treatment. For example, you take allopathy, Unani, Siddha, Ayurveda. Homeopathy has the best treatment. The outcome will be different. For example, if I get 100 patients like this, for 50% of the patients, this disease can be completely cured and completely prevented from occurring again. For 25% of the people, what happens is disease will be completely gone, but it may occur in future, maybe after 10 years, after 5 years. But 25% of the people, we cannot cure completely, but we can give good relief. So in autoimmune disorders, what you need to consider success is if you can stop the patient from using steroids, that should be considered as success, because steroids has lot of side effects. With homeopathy, almost all patients can be handled, but out of 100, I have seen 3 to 5 cases are going to fail. Maybe if I get 100 cases, I cannot produce any results for 3 to 5 of them. Even that can be happen. But overall, for alopecia areata, universalis, and totalis, homeopathy is the best treatment. What homeopathy is going to do is it is going to act at the epigenetic level and bring out the genetic changes so that your disease will be cured from the root cause.
Yeah.
It is not temporarily we are giving some immunosuppressants. Once you remove the immunosuppressants like steroids, the disease is going to come again. Here what we are going to do is we are going to change the genetic makeup of the patient so that because of this epigenetic changes, patient will be cured completely in most of the cases.
Sir, some are using external applications also, sir.
Yeah.
Is there any use?
See, external applications even homeopathy uses, but it's in very rare cases. When we are not going to give proper relief, I said right, out of 100, 3 to 5 cases are going to fail with
Yeah.
homeopathy. In that cases, we can try external application, but external application is a temporary relief. It is not a permanent solution. If you want permanent solution, the best treatment is the constitutional treatment, where it is thought to be going into your genetics and modifying your genes. The latest concept is known as epigenetics.
Okay.
It is going to bring epigenetic changes in your body so that your disease is completely cured. But external application, most of the allopathic preparations are external applications, right? It is full of steroids. Steroids means immunosuppressants. Once you suppress the immunity, the disease subsides. Once you remove those steroids, it is going to rebound, and this is not good for the patient. As a homeopathic doctor, the success, what I mean to say in autoimmune disorders is, if you can keep the patient happy so that he will not use steroids, then it is considered as success for homeopathy, because using steroids is going to have a lot of side effects.
Okay. So internal correction is better rather than applying external applications.
Right, yeah.